Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead. Hold up. Wait a minute, look here. I gotta give a shout out, man. Shout out to my motherfucking brother, Where's Your Father? You know what I'm saying? Dude went live on YouTube a little while ago, man, you know, chopping it up like he do. Dude shouted me out, man, you know what I'm saying? Gave me props, you know what I mean? That's real, you know what I'm saying? That's a real soldier right there, man, because you can't really find no YouTuber that'll shout out a smaller channel, you know what I'm saying? And the thing about it is, man, I ain't even asked dude to do that, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to you, man. Look, y'all go ahead and follow his channel, man. You should already be following it, you know what I'm saying? He got some dope 4K visuals, and he do his thing. He keep it 100, you know what I'm saying? Once again, the name is Where's Your Father? Go ahead and follow, subscribe to the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? Now let's get back to business, man. As you can see, you got the black box, red jump, man. Anyway, man, y'all go ahead and make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now looking at the box, you already know what it is, or you know, got an idea, you know what I'm saying? You got the black box, you got the elephant print around the bottom, got the Jumpman on the ends. What we got today is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Triple White. The colorway is white, and of course white. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and dig into the box, man. Now you got the paper with your elephant print on the paper. But enough of that, man. That ain't what we here for. Here it is, the Air Jordan 3 Triple White. Now me personally, I'm a pass on this one. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just really giving y'all the visuals, man, letting y'all see what's happening with it. Here's a look at the medial side. I mean, it's a nice quality shoe. Don't get me wrong, you know what I mean? But it's just a little boring to me. Like, there's a look at the heel. Here's the outside of the shoe. You see that hang tag, that plain clear hang tag. I wish they would have kept that out and gave us the OG hang tag. There's a look at that translucent bottom. I mean, that's okay, you know what I mean? But let's get back to this hang tag, man. Now look at this, man. Let me know how y'all feel about this, man. I think it feels and looks kind of cheap. You know what I'm saying? Like, they should have gave us the orange, you know, the OG colorway with the hang tag, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. That's what Jordan brand known to come with, you know what I'm saying? Now looking on the tongue, you see you got the tumble leather with the white Jumpman. Medial side, you can see the tumble leather. The tumble leather is nice, you know what I'm saying? I can't knock that. On the heel, you see the Jumpman with the Air, no Nike Air, you know what I mean? It's a pretty dope shoe, man, you know. Here's a look at the insole, which is white with like a white Jumpman. That's why I had to zoom in a little bit so y'all get a better look at it, you know what I mean? Here's a better look at that elephant print and the tumble leather that's on the kicks. I mean, I think it's a dope shoe, but like I say, I feel it's kind of boring to me. You know what I mean? So it's an easy pass for me. Here's a look at the toe box. Pretty self-explanatory, man. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think about the shoes, man. The other shoe, no difference between the two. Everything's the same. You know, there's the back, medial side. I mean, it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, let me know what y'all think about it, man. If you're feeling them, you're not. You know, let me know what's up with it, man. You know what I'm saying? I think it's a clean shoe. You know what I mean? But as you can see on this tab on the back, there's nothing on the inside. You know what I'm saying? So don't expect none of the silver hits or what they used to have on the inside of the tab, like the Pure Money, because this is not that shoe. This is the Triple White. It's not Pure Money. You know what I'm saying? So let's just get that out here first. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, man, that was my look at the Air Jordan 3 Retro Triple White. So y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504, and I'ma holla back.